When you turn on L3110, L3010, or L3050 printers, you'll see two red lights blinking. If you try to print from a computer and get error code 031006, it means there's a problem with the printer's main board. In this video, we show you how to solve this issue at home or your workplace in an easy and understandable way. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support and encourage us. If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support. In the first step, we unscrew the two screws in front of it, then carefully detach the scanner. Be sure to disconnect its ribbons with caution and place the scanner in a safe spot. In the second step, we need to remove the main board. First, we open the top cover of the main board and carefully disconnect all the wires and ribbons. Be very careful not to damage them. Next, we unscrew the three screws on the main board. Making sure one of them has a designated spot it goes back to. Then, we easily pull out the main board. Pay attention between the two thermistors to find a fuse called F1. By checking it thoroughly with a tester, you'll see this fuse has damaged and needs to be replaced. In the third step, we replace the F1 fuse. After replacing it, we check it again with a tester. See, the F1 fuse on the main board is now fixed and functioning properly. Finally, with complete care and caution, we place the main board back into its place. First, we tighten the screws, then reconnect the wires and ribbons to the main board. Be very careful to avoid damaging the ribbons and wires. Be very careful to avoid damaging the ribbons and wires. Now we reinstall the scanner in its place. It's a bit tricky and requires attention. Make sure to also connect its ribbons. Now, when you turn on the printer, you'll see that the issue is fixed and it prints easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Asia Technology channel.